Yeah man, so we're there at Timber Bridge. See young man might enjoy himself, he don't know see one life he live, so big up on the welcome guys, welcome to the channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid. So my location is in Lacovia, St.Elizabeth, one place I'm calling name Burton, close to the Lacovia police station. But today, I want to give a tour on the Slipe Road, an update. Long time not giving an update on Slipe, you know. A lot of people from all over requesting this update. So I'm take the time out to show you what go on in the Slipe area. And Slipe is in the St. Elizabeth area. Also, you have Catabo, you have Frenchman, Salt Spring, them area. If you go straight around, you'll go to the Lacovia Bridge. So the direction I'm coming from would be at the Lacovia police station at the stop area. So I'm going to make a left turn. This will take you to Slipe. I would say it's one way in and one way out. So big up on yourself, anyone I watch from, big up on yourself. So leave in the comment section where you're watching from. If you ever traveled this route before, please let me know. Can see the road condition, not very pretty. Long time them road has stayed so long time. I know say the slight people them want some road you know. Long time the road stay, so they need some road right now. If the government could have see what go on at them place here, see how them road has stay. This road can take you all back to to Black River area, Crane Road. So you know say if you're living in the Slipe area, you know say you have to change car parts very regularly. So here so stay because you can see your front end go mash up. Yeah man, see it there? But you don't know. I take your time out to show you what I go and same way. One way in, one way out. The first part entering into Slipe Road, you know it's gonna be it'll look a bit lonely. Yeah man, it'll look a bit lonely. Past some coconut tree. Back in the days when them used to have horse race in Slipe. So it's a bit overcast right now. As you can see, it's a bit dark. We are supposed to know the Timber Bridge. Yeah man, Timber Bridge, a lot of people baptized there from the both 7-day and also the Sunday church. Them always use that area for baptism. Yeah man, so them call it the Timber Bridge area. Big up yourself, partner man. Big up yourself. Place look green and pretty. A lot of rain you're getting at St. Elizabeth, you know. So you know, so the farmers them supposed to love the rain. So the closest town would be to Slipe area. It all depends. Most people have got Black River. Some people use the Salt Spring area. Travel up on boat, go Black River some of the time. But you know, Santa Cruz is also a close to town too. Depends on where you're coming from in the Slipe area. Yeah, take your time and go down them pothole, yeah. So you see, I've been driving for a while. I don't really see no house like that. But I feel like Slipe now have them nice house down there. You know, Slipe have some beautiful house down there. Beautiful houses down there. Where to go? I'm telling you the truth, I don't know which part to drive. So right now I'm confused. Confused, man, because you don't know you don't want to get stuck, you know, so confused. Think that today Slipe stay so years me I tell you, man. It's good for the government come in and give the people some better road. Sometimes people want to come and Slipe, come on event, you know, but because of the road is so bad, and people don't really want to come at this location, come enjoy themselves, because a lot of party keeping Slipe, you know, a lot of party keeping Slipe. Tell you if you pick and spell which part for drive, you know. Yeah, I'm going already.